Hi, good morning. It is February 21st, 2019. Amazing, it's snowing here in Las Vegas. Storm came in yesterday and we got a couple of inches on the ground. Still snowing right now, so it is kind of interesting around here. Anyway, so let's get into the market and find out what's happening. Okay, we have a townhome here. It came on the market yesterday or today. 180,000, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice looking lawn. Inside's pretty clean. Looks fairly updated. Can't tell what kind of counter that is. Looks like Formica, but it could be Corian or Crystal. Interesting. Looks pretty nice. And where is this little sucker? Built in '88. Russell. Oh, right next to the airport. Interesting. Okay. Then we have 625 is the most expensive. One level, wow, almost 4,000 square feet with a pool. Oh, lots of solar too. Wow, strip view. Pretty nice house. A little dollhouse there for the kids. Nice drone shot. A lot of solar panels. And you got 3 ACs on the roof. Indoor jacuzzi. 3-car garage. Nice high ceilings on the entry. Love that when you have that big open ceiling when you walk in. Looks like a pretty nice house. Big rooms. Well done. Didn't see any pictures of a kitchen in it. That's interesting. Did I miss it? No, looks like they forgot to put it in. Maybe the kitchen is a little bit dated or something because they avoided that. And there's part of a little pantry or something there. That's interesting. I wonder why they did that. Anyway, 6 1/4. Where is it? Warm Springs and Valley View. Okay, over in Spring Valley. Let's get into the map so it's easier to read. Good area. Good deal. Okay, then we have a little Pirates Cove condo, 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 600 square feet. Big complex here. Fairly nice. And this is just off the 215. Buffalo. Okay, so let's go into the next one. We're on Villa Rica. Okay, 7 Hills, 3.75 million, 11,000 square feet. Pool, spa, built in '07. Wow, massive. A tennis court inside the middle of the house there. Nice house. so big, 11,000 square feet. Wow. Red tub, huh? Big shower. Previews. South Point there, with Mount Charleston in the background. That is something else. Let's see, I'll show you where this is. It's in Seven Hills here though, Sun City Anthem and Eastern, Villarica. Right there, Seven Hills. Okie dokie. So, we've got 11, 15, 551 properties in escrow. Boy, that has jumped up in the last few days. Let's get the prices right here. And the closing dates. Okay, 220 yesterday. Out of the area. Here's a Silverado Ranch. Condo, 776 square feet, 132.5. Let's see, what was the most expensive house that closed yesterday? A lot of closings yesterday. Here we go. 700,000. So you want to see what 700,000 will buy you? There you go. Pool, spa, nice big lot. Big open area. Nice updated kitchen. And it's over 700,000, been on the market for 33 days before it closed or before it went into contract. And top part of Summerlin there. There's Summerlin, so right in there, right off Alta. Okay, well, I don't see anything that has closed since, so that looks like it for today. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.